Back with another video, and this time we're going to be taking an IQ test. Now I did record this video earlier, but I used a different IQ test website. This one is by A Real Me, and this is the one that Queso did, which was what even made me think of taking an IQ test in the first place, because I was curious now. And even though this is not like completely accurate according to some people, I don't know what's going on. I'm just here for the funs. I'm here for the shits and giggles, so I don't really care if it's completely accurate or not. I'm just curious. So let's start, I guess. 11. Okay. 1, 0, 2, 4. Oh my god, these are the same questions that Queso did. Luckily, I only watched like half of it, and I did solve most of them with him. So, oh well. Okay. 2, 0, 4, and then okay. I like how there's a I don't know option. That's so real. 29, 27, 24, okay, 15, and then it would be 10, right? Yeah, -2, -3, -4, -5, and then it would be -6, so that would be my 9. Okay. A1, B2, C3, D4, 2, 10, 12 times 5 is 60, and then 60 plus 2 times 5 is 310. And then plus 2 would be 312. Which comes next in the series of images? It would be this one, D. If all bloops are Razzies and all Razzies are Lazzies, then are all bloops definitely Lazzies? Yes. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. What's next? 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 16 times 2, 32, 32 times 2, 64, 64 times 2 would be 128. Mary, who is 16 years old, is 4. Oh, I did this question yesterday. I felt so proud when I solved it. But it would be 24. The reason why is if Mary is 16 years old and is 4 times as old as her brother would be 4 years old. So that means that there's an age gap of 12 years in between Mary and her brother. And so that means that when Mary is 24, her brother will be 12. And that's twice as old as her brother, right? So 24 would be the answer. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is... No, that doesn't work there. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 13, 12. Is this Fibonacci sequence? I don't know what Fibonacci sequence would be, so I have no clue what to do with this. Luckily, there's no like timer here. I can just take however long I want, so I'm gonna keep thinking. Oh, okay, maybe it's like this. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5, right? Something is wrong. Okay. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus... It would have to be 3 plus 2 is 5. That can be the only thing here, right? Maybe 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 3 would be 6, so that wouldn't work there. Oh, doesn't belong in this series. Okay. The only options are 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. I would have to say that 4 would be the only one not to belong. So if we say that 4 did not belong, then that would mean that 2 plus 3 is 5, and then 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13, and 13 plus 8 would be 21, so that works. So 4 is the one that doesn't work here. Oh man, I should have just read this. Okay. I should have just read the thing properly. Cool. It would be... Where is it? This one. B. Okay. Is it going like this again? Is it highlighting what's missing from the original chunk? Because these are the highlighted chunks from the last one. and these were cleared out by this one, and then these were cleared out by this one. So, okay, it's the same thing here. So it's these 5 blocks are already been marked, but these 2 haven't, and those 2 haven't. So those were cleared here. So that would mean that this is marked, and then you would just have this F. Okay, 121, 144, 169, 196. That's 14 squared. What's 15 squared? Has to be this one, because that's the only one ending with a 5. 4 A, B, C, D suspects were interrogated. A said C won't cheat unless B cheats. B said either A or B cheated. C said B didn't cheat, I cheated. And then D said B cheated. And only one person is lying. And if only one person's lying, then it has to be C. Because, okay, let me explain. So if A said that C won't cheat unless B cheated. So if C said that they cheated, B has to have cheated. So that part is the lie. And literally every other person here has said that B is definitely one of the people that has cheated. So C lied and B cheated. Okay. 9, 6, 12. What is the difference between these?
Am I missing something here? I feel like I'm missing something. See, I think there was a part. I didn't watch the whole video by case, so I just get to the end, honestly. So I don't know all these answers. I just know some of them because I was working them out as I was watching the video up till the point where I decided to just get to the end because I got bored. So, honestly, I feel like they should just like mix up the questions. I don't know why they would just give the same questions. Anyways, moving on. 9, 38, 47, 4, 6, 35, 42, asterisk, 12, 21, 23, 27. Is there maybe like the same number that they're all adding up to? So, hold on. Let me add this up real quick. I'm not going to use a calculator just to like make this extra hard on myself, so I will be recording my iPad screen so you guys can see me do the math. Okay, so ignore this. This is from the other IQ test I did yesterday. That did not show me my result despite me finishing the thing, because they're like, oh, you have to pay, even though they said it was free. Oh well. What else do you do? Anyways, so 9 plus 38 plus 47 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 38 plus 47. Add these 2 together. 0, more than that, 60. 60 plus 38, that's 98. Okay, so that's 98. Let's do the bottom. Oh. No, thank you. Let's do the bottom ones. I do not think it's going to add up to the same thing. 12 plus 21 plus 23 plus 27. Add these together and add these together. That would give you 33 plus 0, 1. That would be 50. So that's 83. Quite a difference. Let's see how many this one in the middle adds up to. Because if it's between these numbers, or at least very close to them, then we might have a possible lead here. I'm happy that this is not time. I get to take my time doing this. Anyways, 6 plus 35 plus 42. Okay. 6 plus 35 plus 42. Add these together. 48 plus 35 is equal to 3. And then on top, that would be 83. Okay, so there's already 83 here. That would mean that there's a descending order right in between these. So, plus a mystery number, right? Let's just say A for asterisk, maybe. So in that sense, the first row is equal to 98. The second row is equal to 83 plus A. So that looks like a 7, let me fix that. Plus A. And then 3 is equivalent to 83. So in between these numbers, what is the difference? 83, 98. 15. Okay. I don't think it would be a negative number. But it could be 10. 10 could be a possible addition. So say if it was 10, let's speculate if A equals 10. Then it would be 98. That would be 93, and this would be 83. But then the gaps between this would not be equivalent, so that would not work. Okay. It cannot be minus 5 or 18, because that would break the pattern completely. Yeah, because all of these numbers in the second row are smaller than the ones in the top row. Okay, I'm trying to think. Vertically adding these would not result in the same thing at all. But maybe they would be progressively bigger? Because that pattern would make sense, because the numbers do get progressively bigger going from left to right. So if we were to add vertically, that might give us a progressive increase, and maybe we could see there's a common increase there. So 9 plus 6, that would be 15. 15 plus 12, that would be 27. So that's the first one's 27. Let me do it like this. Okay, the first one is 27. The second one is 38 plus 35. That would be 13 plus 1 over, carry the 1 over top. That would be 73 plus 21, which would be 94. Then you have 47 plus 42, so that would be 89. 89 plus 23, that would be... Wait, I said 89 right now. Okay, 89 plus that would be 112? Yeah, 112. Because if you add the 7 and the 3 together, that's 10. 10 plus 80, that's 90. 90 plus 20, that would be 110. Plus then you add 2, so 120. 112. Sorry if I sound off, I am very sick. So, just a heads up. But then the pattern falls because it's 4. Why is it 4? Why? I beg you, why? Oh, okay. So 4 plus 27, that would be 31. There's literally no number here that can make it bigger than 112. So, if it's already 31, if we do... Yeah, no, okay. Maybe there's a multiple? Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, that would not work. Okay. Okay. We're gonna be here a while, I guess. I'm trying to think of what could possibly be the answer.
I'm just gonna say I don't know because I feel like we're spending a lot of time here. They're all the same size. Which one is at the bottom? It has to be between 6. Oh, actually, hold on. It has to be either 3, 5, or 8, maybe. Yeah. That would make the most sense. Because think about it in this sense. Let's draw 3. This is 3. You have 5 right next to it. I'm sorry, these are not even. I'm doing very haphazard drawings. So say this is the original starting, right? And you have 8, 7, 3, and 5. And on top of that, in between these two, you add 4. And then on top of 3 and under 7, you would have 6. That would be the only way you get that answer. Because you cannot add 3 from the bottom to the top. That would not make sense. Because otherwise 6 would be covered. And 1 is the one that's placed last. So if you think about it, even... Oh, in this sense here, 2 would also have to be added on top of 7. So that would be... 2 would be there. And then 4 would have to be under 5. No. Yes, it would have to be under 5 and under 3 as well. So 5 is the only one so far that's still holding up because 3 has to be over 4 to be able to show here, and then 1 is on top here. Wow, that's a mess. Okay, I would say 5, but that is literally not one of the options. So let's think. 2. If 2 is underneath, then yeah, it would be covered by both 8 and 5. So that would make sense. 2 is a viable option. 8 is not a viable option. 6 is also a viable option because it has to be under 3. Or at least under 7 as well to be able to be showing just 1. 4 is also another viable option because if it's showing up just as a single one, it has to be either under 5, under 3, and just generally under 1. So I'm gonna guess oh man, I'm very torn between 2, 4, and 6. Well, I did say 6 would have to be on top of, I mean, sorry, under 3. But it could also be under 7, so that's definitely on the bottom anywhere you look at it. But that's the case for most of these. Which one is at the bottom? I guess you would have to see which one has the most things overlapping it. But, okay. If they're all identical, then they can only take up so much space, right? So, either 2 is under... Oh, it would have to be 6. Oh my god, it would have to be 6. Okay. The reason why is if you were to think about 2 or 4, there's only so big that they could go. For example, if you put down 6 first, 6 is in this position where it's not entirely on one side completely. Like, for example, by what I mean by that is when you look at the pieces of paper like this, because they're all even, you have to see that 6 can either only be here or it has to be in this middle part because it's showing right in the middle. So that would have to mean that 6 is not evenly between... Oh wait, never mind. That wouldn't make sense. Damn it. Okay. Gotta love how quickly that theory fell apart. But no, actually, that would still make sense because that would mean that it's being covered by at least 6 is being covered by at least 1 and 3. But that would also be the case for so many other ones here. But they didn't say that there couldn't be a number in between. Like 2 could just be overlapping those two. And that would make sense there. Because if 6 is right at this edge, either that means that 2 is also at this edge over here. Let me use my cursor. Like 2 is also at this edge right here and going like this. And then in that sense, it would also be overlapped by 5 as well, and then 1, and then also 2. Or if it's being right here, then it would be overlapped by 8 and 1. But wait, 8 cannot be overlapping 2 because then it would be... Oh my god. Okay. I'm getting confused. Okay. So that would mean 3. Okay, so 6 cannot be the bottom there. That's not possible. It's still peeking through because if 3, that would mean 8. 8 is the only one that's actually on the bottom. Because it's to the edge and it's only vertical, it's not like this. Okay, I finally figured out the damn strategy. And 5 is not even an option, so we don't have to fight for that at all. So it's just 8. Wow, that took me ridiculously long. I feel kind of stupid. Okay. 5 and 10, 19, 32, 49, 70. The heck is that? Okay. 5, 10, 19, 32, 49, 70. Plus 5, plus 9. That would be plus 13. Oh, it's an addition of 4. Okay. Okay. That would be 17. Yep. Okay. We got the pattern. So this should be plus, what is it? Plus 21, right? Yes. Okay. We figured out the pattern. Okay. So that would mean the next one will have to be plus 25. And that would be 95. Nice. Okay. What is the number in the blanks? Oh, the stuff.
88, 25, 16, 63, 9, 24, 49, 10, okay. I did not read those in order, by the way. What is the difference between 88 and 63? It would be 25, right? Oh! It would be 25. Okay, hold on. 88 and then 63. And the difference between them is 25. Oh, okay, so 25 and 9, let's test this theory out. 25 and then we have 9. The difference between this is 16. Yeah. Yeah, we have... Oh my god, okay. There we go. And then you have 16 and 24. And the difference between this is not 13. That's not the answer. Hold on. That would be 29. That's not the answer. Damn it. Okay, we were so close. That can't be right. Oh shit, that threw off the whole pattern, damn it. Wait, let me see if I continue that pattern, will it work? Even though it didn't work for one of these in between. This should have been like 13, but instead it's not 13, it's 8. 13 is too high. I mean, what about the difference between 49 and 13? 36. And then 36 and 10 would not make 9, so that pattern is bust. What else could equal 25? It cannot be division, it has to be like subtraction between those two. Okay, wait, let's try adding up all of these numbers and see if that gets us anything. Okay. So 9 is 82. Whoa, what was that? Okay. Okay, that's that, I guess. What about 88 plus 25 plus 16 plus 13 plus A plus 9? Are they even the same amount of numbers, by the way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5 numbers, okay, that's wrong. That can't be right. Dang. Okay, maybe there's a correlation. Oh, wait. I see something. Let's test it out. Okay. So here you have 88 on this side, and then 25 down here, and then 63, right? The difference between these two is 63. The difference between 25 and 16 is 9. So that would make sense why there's a 9 there. Because 16... hold on. 16 plus 9 would equal 25. So, because then you could put the 9 into 4 and a 5, and if you add 4 to 16, that would be 20, 20 plus 5, 25. So that would make sense there. The difference is 9. But then the difference between 16 and 13 is not 24. Ah, that's so frustrating. Okay. The amount they added to is also not right, because then that number would just be humongous. Okay, well, let's use the answers as our guidance. Okay, well, I don't know. We're gonna move on. I don't know. I know I'm missing something, and I probably would have gotten it eventually, but I'm just lazy. So, and I also don't want this video to be, like, so freaking long. Okay. And these are both the same. Asterisks are the same. Okay. Okay. A is the first letter, C is the third letter, D is the fourth, E is the fifth, I is the ninth letter. Damn it. M is the 13th letter. O is the 15th. Oh my god, hold on. I'm just gonna start from O. Okay, O is 15. Okay, so this is 24. This is 9. O is 15 again. And X is 24. This is Y. And Y is 25. Okay, so this is not... Okay, I mean, let's try anyway. So 13 plus 9 plus 24 plus 1 plus 25 plus 15 is equal to 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus... Okay, what am I add here? So let's add these two together. Let's add these two together. And then we'll just have these two to add. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 25 plus 15 is 40. 24 plus 13 is 37. And we get to that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yep. And that would equal 87. Then you have the bottom numbers. 4 plus 3 plus 15 plus 24 plus 5 plus 9 and equal to... Add these two together. Add these two together and add these two together. So you have 7 plus 9 plus 24 plus 20 is equal to... Okay. This is equal to 16 plus 24 is equal to... 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. Okay, so that was inconclusive. Huh. Wait, hold on. Yeah, no, there's no way. It's actually they're the same. So that would not work.
Which one should be next? A? Ooh, okay. Let's see. Okay, thank you. Next. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Go here, get this one. And then come back out like this. Get this, come back out this way, and then go this way. Okay, let's try. Oh, damn. Dang it, I already messed up. Wait, hold on. No, I did not. Man, mazes make me nervous. I am really bad at using these keys. Wow. You guys see how bad I am with this? Okay. Oh, collect all the stars and reach the exit with the arrow keys before time runs out. No trails shows your path. No trail shows your path in this maze. Ooh. Okay, I see. That's fun. Okay, from here we can go like this. All the way around, in here, over there to get that. Come back out like this. Get this. Come back out. No, wait, actually don't come back out. Go like this. That would block your path. There's no way out there. I guess you would have to come back this way. Yeah. You have to come back this way. Yeah, you would have to come back out all the way over here, get down here, go into this area, and then you have to come back out all the way to here at least. And then if you go like this, that's blocked. Okay, you come back out like this completely then. Going through here, that's blocked. Go like this maybe? Yeah, and then you get here. Okay. Ooh, okay. Oh, this should be fun. Let's try. Oh. Oh, I should have put down my keyboard. I'm just using the keyboard that's placed on top of my Mac right now. Oh shit, I forgot. Oh no! Okay, hold on. I'm getting confused, damn it. Okay. Okay, we got all the stars, now we have to get out. I forgot the route that I made myself, dang. Oh shit, okay. Okay, I got it. I got this. Get down, get down. We have 2 minutes. Oh, we have 2 minutes. Never mind. Hold on. We have 2 minutes. We can do this. Just stay calm. And actually maybe learn how to use these mouse controls properly. Like, goddamn. Oh shoot, I should have just gone from the bottom. Why did I come back up? Oh, damn it. No, no, never mind. I swear I'm like hallucinating. Yay! Whoa! You can really see where I got confused. Okay, you're almost done. You will not know my birthday. And you will not know my gender, even though... Yeah. No! Shit. I should... What?! I forgot to say English is not my native language. I messed up. Okay. This is probably false. But that was fun! Oh. Okay. I should have said that it was... Hold on. Maybe if I go back... Okay, remember this. Go back. Oh, okay, that just takes me back over there. Okay. I forgot to tell them that English is not my native language. Does that change much? I don't know, but English is not my native language. I accidentally clicked yes. And then I remember that English was not my first language. But it is a language I know pretty well, so I can almost be a native. So it's okay. It's fine. It's whatever. Okay. In fact, my mother tongue, my native tongue is Telugu. It is not English. I will say I am not the best at reading and writing in Telugu, but I can speak conversational pretty well. So, hey, that's that at least, I guess. That was fun. If you guys enjoyed, I know this test is gonna be like super long. I don't think I'll cut anything out. I think I'll just leave it just like this, just to show you guys the real amount of time that it took me. But yeah, that's about it. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to like. I'm pretty sure this is not the most accurate score, but this feeds my quest for knowledge just a little bit more. I feel like, oh, okay, that's nice to know. I won't take it to my head though, because I know I can be very stupid at times. So, yeah, I don't know what to say. This is kind of crazy. I'm not going to lie to you. This is a little bit insane to me. I don't think this is real. Maybe one day I'll actually, wow. Okay. Maybe one day I'll actually do the real version of this IQ test, and then you guys can see the score that I get. But until then, we're just gonna say take this with a grain of salt. Aside from that, I will end this video here. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. And yeah, leave a comment down below too. I really enjoy reading your guys' comments. So make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Oh, I'll also post the other IQ test I took, just for the fun. Bye!